See road. See River Jordan. See road, oh. See River Jordan. See somebody in house for there. I feel pity for these people. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, this place no be lakeside. We call here Fulani. Yes, this is Fulani. And Fulani, we are having, this is a dam, right? According to the history of this dam, they said this place was firstly a dry land, and the dry land was accumulating water small. So when the Fulani people, my animals go chop for here, they can suck water for here. And as time goes on, people begin to, live around the area, and they are creating gutter. So if you look up there, you realize that we have some big gutter that is leading, that is having a tributary to this place. So the bigger gutter, when it rains in Ashie, the big gutters and all the small gutters are connected to this place to give us this water. So this water you are seeing here is a combination of rainwater together with gutter water. If you do like this for you. Now, normally, it being where the water can be here, where this road like this, they can pour sand for here, can create road for here, to make people they pass. Now, the water is now big enough for us to have a dam. The wind where they blow for here, no be small wind. See the way wind they blow. So we have coconuts like here, they nice. And you know Accra living already. You know the way we live for Accra. Instead of us to know that the water is coming plenty. So people who are here should leave the place so that the water can get its access and pass over. And you know Accra already, they block the road for the water to pass, and they sell all these places. See, they sell all these places for people. Now, do you remember the rain where rain last time? Some heavy rain, big rain last time. Even Kojo Sheldon in the house, he enter some. See what the rain do for, the rain chew the road. See, the rain don't chew. The rain chew the road finish. Now this place is no longer a road. Even motorcycle cannot fit pass here again. I'm sorry for my accent. I'm beautiful. See, this water like this, as it rain, heavy flood, it chew the place or it chew the road, so nobody go fit pass here again. Now, as the rain they chew, as this water they chew, or the rain they chew the road like this, and I know very soon, this June, July, it go rain again. Now, if you chew enter where this river, where they here, this dam, heavy one of God, come this place, what's going to happen? It go clear, it go pala, they play. Now let me show you how the place chew. Make I show you how the place chew. This be the road, oh. This be the road. Come and see. If you are Accra we did, they go to sell every land. All right, bro. Sharp man. Sharp bossu. Guys, look at something. So the heavy rain wave for the other time. See the way it chew the road. It chew the road all can go. Chew the road all can go. Charlie, this is serious. Charlie, show them this is serious. So as time goes on, if another heavy rain again, where is an chew enter go meet River Jordan for here, and this river here get access to this place because he rode this. Where he get access to this place, that means he go chew everybody, everybody go through away for the down there. It not be only here wait here, even the frontier safe here. You go see some line. Now the rain it chew every place. It chew every place. See road. See River Jordan. See road, oh. See River Jordan. See somebody in house for there. I feel pity for these people. Accra they go to sell every land like that. This place be Ashie, full and need this. So if you see the river, you know be where lakeside. You know be lakeside. We have our dam. All these people are in danger. All these people are in danger. If another rain should rain again, all these people, then my anus go hot. My name is Folumo. If today happens to be the first time you are watching me, my name is Folumo. Now this is River Jordan. This is the road. These are residents. This be how the rain chew, it chop off the road. Now look at this. It chop off the road. Yes. If you there, menya ingbade se road now. Oh, like Accra, menya ingbade se road now. Me July ingbade te jira view. See, River Jordan Road. So this one, I don't know whether they will call on government or they are supposed to relocate. And if you ask them to relocate, will they agree? Or we should be waiting for government to come and fill this place and do another road again? Anyway, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. The time where the flood rain, the only people in the Mahon we see because you're shouting and other people. People don't know that this is what is happening in Fulani. People don't know where Fulani is. If you don't know where Fulani, then you ask. This is what will happen. So ladies and gentlemen, I just want to do Kokonsa give you as in what will happen for Fulani. I'm out. I'm not the inside.